Estimate module description section 4.3 speaks about views. This section has 3 subsections: short view, full view, and reprise view. These views work in the same way in rates and estimates files. Also in the same way works insert selected rows, select items all, which we spoke about in video before. When we open rates files, we see that we see columns F, G, H, O, Q, R, W, Y, Z, AA, AE. Other columns are hidden. This view is very good when we want to concentrate on main data, and this view is very helpful when we work on a small laptop screen. But this view has disadvantages because we not see all information and we can't use some functions. For example, function which is under button layer with selected items. When we want to see all columns and hide all columns which are hidden now, we can click button full view or press shortcut Ctrl U, and after this we see that file reads. Open it on full screen and we see all columns are unhidden. And which operation which we did before, if we select these beams, yes, and now we see that this is what we want, and this row is what we want, and we want to look for all layer, we press button layer with selected item, and now we have in reads files all layer, and we can select all rows and insert them into estimate file. If we download this, we see that these 3 rows is inserted in estimate file. Other important view which is described in description is Reprice View. This view is important in that moment when we want to reprise all items in a rates file. This is additional function, and this view is for this function. When we want to go back to full view, we press button full view, green button full view. All buttons for views are green, and we are in full view again. Of course, sometimes we need some information from other, and its disadvantage that it is many columns, but we can use splitting. We can use splitting and look so, or go there, this, and also we can use a special function in standard Excel function, custom views. Yes, we see that in custom views are all 3 views which we spoke about. Also, we can do something that we additionally. For example, we hide this columns now we can see this view. Yes, item. And we can go to custom views and add this view. For example, loss and rate, and save it. Then we can go back to the fuel view, and if we want to view our custom view, we open it and show our view which we created for ourselves.